There are products that come to make our daily lives easier, especially in the kitchen, and some of them are so cheap that it's really worth buying them. And that's what I'm going to show you here now in this video. Some inexpensive items that I picked out for you, which you'll definitely want to have in your home. Hey guys, how are you? I'm Ed the Architect, and this is the type of video you enjoy that I share on the channel. Decor tips, products, cheap items, low prices. This will help you and make daily life at home much easier. First, look how interesting this is. This type of clothesline that you can install on your wall, in the laundry room, in that space you have there, in your backyard. It doesn't matter where in your house, you can install it on any wall. It's very functional. When it's open, it supports 2.5 kilograms per rod. When closed, it doesn't look like a clothesline. Many people call this type of clothesline the wall-mounted one. We call it a wall clothesline, but many know it as the magic clothesline. It's a brand name that was given over time, and it's stuck. When you search for this product, it's often called a magic clothesline, but it's really a wall clothesline. It's really good. It's top-notch. I install it a lot in apartments, especially for you who live in an apartment. We know the area is small, especially the laundry area, which is even smaller than the kitchen. So, imagine having a clothesline that's functional. Look, I'm not hanging clothes, I don't have any laundry to do today and all that. Just close it up and hide it. Everything looks clean, nice, and cool with nothing showing. This is the kind of clothesline I would recommend you to buy and install in your house. There are several sizes, 60, 80, 1 meter, and 1 meter 20. It depends on your needs. You can install it at half height, higher up, or install two, one high, one low, depending on your needs. The second item, guys, that you also really like. When I bring this type of product here, it's this type of automatic or sensor trash can. I have this type of trash can here in my bathroom. I have one in our kitchen, okay? It's a small trash can, 40 liters. If I'm not mistaken, for those of us living in apartments, I live in one now. We usually take out the trash daily, collecting it and bringing it to the building's dumpster. So, it doesn't need to be a very big trash can. A 40-liter one here for the kitchen and a smaller one for the bathroom is enough for us. This is a cool, very functional trash can for daily use. You might even say to me, "Oh, that's just, I don't know, too much fuss. Come on, there's a trash can with a sensor and all that." In my opinion, no. Maybe you'll agree it's cool to wave your hand, have the lid open, toss the trash, and not step on anything. Which I recommend to you, okay? You say it, okay? I want a functional product here. A trash can, a mat in the kitchen for you to put in the corner. Enjoy more convenience and an easier daily life. The third item is for you if you have doubts about the lighting in your dining room. Is it warm, neutral, or cool white? Which one are you going to install? Which chandelier are you going to install in your dining room? This is also a topic. It's a very common question here on the channel. I get a lot of comments asking like, "Okay, did you say that the bedrooms are always? You like to use warm white in projects, kitchen, bathroom, service areas, neutral white, or even cool white in some cases. But in the dining room where our chandelier is it warm white or is it neutral white? Usually, it's a space that separates the kitchen from the living room. Our dining table is right in the middle. So, which one should we use? Cool white, warm white. Actually, save cool white for later. Go with warm or neutral white. This type of chandelier that I showed you here. First, we want the LED model, okay? It's cool and beautiful, available in black, gold, rose gold, and white. But what's interesting about it is that you can change the lighting tone. If I want warm white, you simply set it to warm white. No, today I want cool white. Go set it to cool white. Want neutral white? Then set it to neutral white. So it helps you in that situation. I prefer a cleaner, softer model, like the one I chose for you. I've already brought videos here on the channel telling you about faucet models that I use in my kitchen projects. I prefer a cleaner, softer, lighter model. It will serve the same function as a gourmet faucet, and it won't interfere with the decor as much. First, it's a positive point in my opinion, and second, it's easier for daily use. When it comes to cleaning, a gourmet faucet has a lot of accessories. A cleaner, simpler faucet is easier to clean and easier for you to handle. That's not a problem. If you like the gourmet faucet at home, it's fine. Taste is personal. As I've said in several videos here, if I were to decorate, if you hired me to design your house, I would use this cleaner faucet model. For you guys, I hope you enjoyed and liked these 4 tips I shared here. Basic and quick for you. Some are functional, like the chandelier and clothesline. Hope you like and enjoy them. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Alright? Like this video, leave your comment here. What did you think of this content? And don't forget that I'll be waiting for you in our next video. Take care.